Millen here from AV King. Just a demonstration of this mobile stand. It is a height adjustable stand, so as you can see we've currently got it on the maximum height, and if we want to bring that down to the lowest height we can hold the remote control and that will lower the height by around 30 centimeters. We currently have this one with a 75-inch standard screen, but we can set these up with the IFP mobile touch screens as well, and we can set them up, as you can see on screen there, with the Zoom conference kits. At the moment this one's just running with a regular PC which can be mounted to the back of the screen and a keyboard, and that soundbar is just for sound, whereas obviously the one on screen is the type you would have in an office if you wanted to have conferencing all built into the one unit. AV King, if you'd like some more information on these stands, as you can see it's quite a slim design, also very big wheels, so it's nice and easy for one person to move this around an office, and each of these wheels can be locked and unlocked very easily by foot as well. AV King, if you'd like more information on any of these stands or interactive touchscreens, IFPs. Thank you.